Hello my friends, welcome back to another phone application. Today I'm going to introduce you to the KiraDroid app. And if you don't know what the KiraDroid app is, it's basically an app that people use to add sparkles to their videos or add sparkles to their pictures. So every time you see a YouTuber or an Instagram person, uploading this beautiful video with a bunch of sparkles or that picture, is because they're using this app or something similar to the KiraDroid app so they can add those sparkles. So now let me go ahead and click into the icon of the app, which is called KiraDroid. And remember, if you want to go ahead and download this, you're gonna have to go into your app store and just basically look for the KiraDroid. Look for this icon that you see there in my screen of my phone, which is called KiraDroid with pink and sparkles, and just download that app. So now this app is for free, you don't have to pay for it, but if you want to go ahead and remove the ads that this KiraDroid has, like how you basically stamping that you made that video, that picture with their app, you have to go ahead and just buy the app, which I believe it costs you $4.99. So now enough talking, let me go ahead and click into the icon. So once I click into the icon, it's going to take you obviously to your item. There you go. So I have that beautiful earrings that I own, which is heart earrings. And in here I'm going to go ahead and start explaining to you exactly how to use or operate the top row of my screen. As you can see, you see there the pantalla ad. Unfortunately, I can remove it. Let me see if I can remove it. Yeah, now I remove it. Now it says, whatever, something with Google. But anyways, going back into that top row. As you can see there in the top row of my screen, you'll be able to see there's 5 different icons. The first icon, of course, is the flash, and the reason why it has a little cross on it is because it's not on. So let me go ahead and click on it so you guys can see the difference compared to how it looks right now. There you go. So that's the flash right now. Let me remove it because I think it's just too bright, and there it goes. I just turn it off. Now the little circle right next to the flash is basically to switch cameras, to switch it from the front one that is recording the item to the screen camera, so you guys can see me, which I'm not going to go ahead and click that icon because I'm not looking pretty right now. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that, but basically that's what it does. Now the next icon, which says full, is to actually change the screen size of the item you're taking a picture or you're going to be recording. So if I click on it, it's gonna switch. Now there you go. It's gonna switch from a full screen image to a 4:3 ratio. Now if you click on it again, because it has 3 modes, it's gonna go into a 1:1 mode. So I'm gonna click back again so it can go back into the full mode, and that's the way I want it to be recorded. But basically that's what it does. Now the next icon that you see, which is a little star, is basically just to adjust the size of the star. As right now you can see, you're not able to really appreciate the item that you're actually recording, like the item that I'm right now trying to record for you guys. You cannot really appreciate what exactly it is because the stars are just too big. So if I click into that 1 star icon and I adjust it right now, I had it halfway, almost halfway, and if I lower it, you are now able to see that the stars have reduced in size. So basically that's what it does. So once you click on that icon, that's the reason why there's only 1 star, because it's for you to adjust the size of the stars or the sparkles to see how big or small you want them to be. And basically now the next icon, which is the 5th icon in that row, you see multiple stars. And the reason why you see multiple stars is because that's what it is. Basically, you will be adjusting how many stars you want to be displayed into your item or your video. So if I click on it right now, I had it halfway. If I go lower it, you can see now that you can barely see a couple stars. So now let me go into the size of the star and then increase it so that way you guys can see how it actually looks. And then you can see there's only a couple of stars. So basically that's how you operate the 5 type icons of this app. Now let me go back into the multiple icon star and increase the stars because you guys can't see them. There you go. And let me adjust the size of the star again. And there you go. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so now that's how you actually use those 5 icons. But on top of that, the coolest thing that this app can has, you can actually change the different type of sparkles you want. So right now this is, I believe, the first sparkle, but it has, I believe, around 10 if not 15 different modes of sparkles that you can add into your video and your pictures. So if you swipe to your left, I'm gonna swipe into my left. Now you can see there's the silver sparkle. You will find stars, you will find a bowhead, you will find squares and hexagon sparkles. I'm going to continue scrolling to my left, swiping to my left, sorry, so where you guys can see exactly the different type of sparkles it has. Now that you can see this is colorful sparkle, and now if I go to the colorful 2 and then splash sparkle, you have the golden 2 sparkle, normal sparkle, the colorful 1, a rotating sparkle, 6-star sparkle, and so forth. Let me continue swiping and swiping so you guys can see the heart and the bowhead sparkle. There you go. Now let me increase the size of this and how many you guys can see. So this is the bowhead sparkle, okay? And let me see. There you go. That's the bowhead sparkle. And if I swipe again, this is the heart. Look at how beautiful. So beautiful. That's this heart sparkle. And then you have the star one. I don't know if you guys can see the star sparkle. And then you have the hexagon sparkle. Okay, so basically with this app you're able to add any different type of sparkle, colorful or just one color. This app is so great, and this is one of the apps that many YouTubers or Instagram people actually use to, you know, make those beautiful nice videos and pictures. So now that you know how to use, you know, the top row, and you know that you can actually switch different type of sparkles into your videos and pictures, the bottom row, I'm going to teach you how to use it. So basically, if you see those 4 little icons on the bottom, you have the 3 little dots, which basically if you click on them is going to tell you, you know, that if you want to go ahead and buy this app, so that way you don't have to see those ads. And then so you can rate the app, so you can contact them, and so you can go ahead and share this app with your friends. I'm not sure if you will get some points or something if you were to share this app, but anyways, and then obviously if for a tutorial, I'm going to close it. Now the next icon, which is the picture icon, what that does, or what that is that basically if you don't want to go ahead and record a video and you just want to go ahead and add sparkles to your picture, you can do so by clicking that icon. So if I click on that icon, now it's going to give me the option to either pull up a video from my phone's memory, or either pull up a photo from my phone's memory, which I'm going to go ahead and just do a photo. Okay, so I'm going to pull up my pictures and I'm going to select this one. So now I have selected that picture, and you can see there that you're able to see the hexagon sparkles. And in here I can just click save, because I just want to go ahead and make this video quick. But anyways, and you already know how to operate the top row. You can increase the size of the star, the sparkle, how many you want. And in the bottom, when it's a picture, you have the option to either save them as a picture or save it as a video. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and save this picture as a video. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click save, and now I save it. So now I save it to my gallery, and in here you can go ahead and click, you know, to share it into your Instagram, your Facebook, or just share it to your friends if you click those 3 little dots that are below the Facebook icon. And if you want to go back, you can click the arrow. If you click back to clicking the arrow, it's going to take you back into the picture. But if you click the home little house, it's going to basically remove the picture that you have selected, and it's going to take you back into a plain image where you're going to see whatever your camera was seeing. So I'm going to just click into the arrow. So now it can take me back into my picture that I had selected. And in this case, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, instead of now clicking save as a picture, I'm going to do save as a video, but not yet. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and change this picture's filter. So if you click into the 4 little icon in the bottom which says filters, you can go ahead and select any type of filter you want. You can select the gray one or the wobble. This is the one that I like when you actually have a picture and you want to go ahead and add this nice beautiful wobble effect, you know, and then with any type of sparkle. I think it creates a nice image, and it's appealing to people and they want to click and view it. So now you have this one that's bright, you have this one here, the 1970s, and you have many different type of filters that you can go ahead and use. But for this matter, I'm going to go ahead and just use the wobble one, and see how cool that looks with the little bowhead sparkles, and then the wobbling of the picture. It looks like if it was a real video, but it's not a video. It's just this plain fixed steady picture, but that's the type of effects at least you can work on creating with some of the pictures you have. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and click save as a video. So now it's processing and is of course going to save it into my phone's memory. I don't know why it's not showing the colors, but I guess it does. Is showing them, but very lightly. But anyways, you already know the process here. I'm going to go ahead and click now home so you guys can see, and it's gonna take me back to my camera. You see, so it took me back to my main camera where it was recording this item. There you go. So that's the item there, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and record this item, and for that you will go ahead and click into the circle pink icon that you see there in the bottom right next to the picture icon. I'm going to click that, and as you can see, it's recording the little item that I had right in front of me. Let me go ahead and change the sparkles. There you go. I think that's more fun. Let me increase it, and then let me see, there you go. Okay, so now I'm going to stop it. I recorded for 18 seconds. Now it's processing. There it goes. It shows you exactly after you have recorded something, you know, how it looks. And if you still don't like how, you know, you recorded it, even though you went ahead and click, you know, save, and it was processing, you can still edit it. Compared to the picture, once you take the picture and you add, you know, the type of sparkle you want and how many you want, and once you click either save a video or save as a picture, you don't have the second option to just adjust it again for a second time. When you do a video, you do, as you can see here on the top, you still have your little sparkle size that you can adjust, and then how many you want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the size, and I'm going to increase it, and then I'm going to increase also the how many more sparkles I want. So there you go. See, so I have increased it, and now if I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and click save as a video, and then also I can go ahead and change the filter. So in here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the filter, and I'm going to do black and white. Yeah, look at how beautiful. And there's the wobble, and then this one. Let's see what else. Let's see. Oh, that looks pretty. Let me see how many they have. They have a lot of different filters that you guys can use, but this is a beautiful, oh, I like this one. So this is a beautiful application, like I said, so you guys can have fun and play and create beautiful videos and edit your pictures and get many likes if you like getting likes on Instagram or in Twitter or just in Facebook. You know, you just use your imagination with this app, and you can do beautiful videos and pictures with nice effects. So now I'm going to go ahead and click save as a video, and it's going to go ahead and save it. You already know the process. It's taking a while because I guess I added a lot of the size of the sparkle is just too big, and I added so many of them, so I guess in the filter on top of that. So I hope this app doesn't crash on us. I hope it does process. I think it's taking a while. Okay, there it goes. So now it has been saved into my phone's memory, and as you can see, since I haven't purchased this app, it says that it has been made with the KiraDroid app, which is fine with me. I don't care, you know. So if you don't want to have that in the bottom there of your video, your picture, you're gonna have to just buy the app, like I said, and you're gonna have to pay $4.99 for it. So now that I'm done, I'm basically going to go ahead and just close. I don't want to share it in my Instagram or Facebook, but if you want to, you can go ahead by just clicking any of those items. So let me go ahead and go back, close this, and I'm going to go into the KiraDroid app, and in here you can see there is a video. Let me click play, and you can see that, and then let me, oh no, I want to cancel it. Oops, sorry. Now let me click on the picture. This is the picture that I went ahead and saved. Okay, this is how you actually use the KiraDroid app. It's a very nice, easy to use, you know, app that you can actually download and create beautiful videos of yourself with either your jewelry or places like, you know, for your Christmas tree or any item that you want to go ahead and make a nice beautiful video with sparkles in it and different type of sparkles. As you can see, you can add the hearts, you can add the stars, you can have colorful sparkles, and the same it goes with your pictures. So I hope this video was actually very useful to you guys and you actually like this app. This app is called KiraDroid and it's for Droid phones, because I know that there's one that's called Kira, but I think that's only for iPhones, but this one is for Android phones. Now I have many other different type of tutorials in my channel that you guys can go ahead and see if you want to go ahead and learn how to, you know, I don't know, like make money with different apps. I have different type of apps like that, tutorials that are useful. In this channel I try to upload cute useful apps for you guys to know to make money or either to create beautiful things like this one. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, because I know a lot of people wonder how those YouTubers or Instagram people actually get those sparkles into their pictures and their videos. Well, this is the app. So please, please, please share this app video with your friends. Give it a like, give it a if you have any questions, leave a comment. I also have a channel, I have an account in Instagram called ChicaView, so you can go ahead and follow me there. That is my ChicaView account, and there you can see items that I'm currently selling, you know, in my website, which is called www.chicaview.com. So if you like jewelry like this one, you will find some earrings. If you're a lady, that probably you will like. So feel free to go ahead and also check my website and see if you find anything in my website you would like to purchase. I have also affordable prices there, and also share with your friends, so that way probably your friends might like some of the stuff that I have there too. And you can follow me and my other Instagram account that I have, which is called ChicaView, and there you'll be able to find pictures of me where I'm actually posting some makeup and stuff like that that I actually own. So anyways, if you like tutorials like this one, go ahead and follow me, because I'll be uploading many app tutorials. Just know that I just don't upload app tutorials. I also upload makeup tutorials, makeup reviews. I also any other type of review, like products that I buy online, like cameras and use for stuff like that, as well as dream videos, DIYs, and Halloween makeup and all that stuff. This channel that I have here in YouTube, it's a channel that has a lot of variety, but mainly I try to upload stuff that is very useful for everyone to know and use. So if you like this video, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram as ChicaView or ChicaView, and also check out my website and let me know what you think about my website, if there's anything I should add or remove, or what do you think I need to improve. But I think I have already mumbled too much, so I hope this was again useful. If you like it, please, please, please give me that big thumbs up. If you like it, again, share with your friends. And I guess I'll be seeing you to another YouTube app tutorial for you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.